Are you looking for the best instant pots? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best instant pots on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus. The Instant Pot Duo may be the brand's overall bestseller, more on why below, but we selected the upgraded Instant Pot Duo Plus as our top pick. It offers everything that the best-selling Duo does, and then some, without much additional cost. In addition to the settings offered by the basic Duo, this souped-up model also has settings for more delicate foods like cakes and eggs. Another key feature of the Duo Plus is the upgraded display. It's bigger and has brighter LED backlighting than the Duo. So if you ever find yourself straining to see the readouts on your appliances, this model is a great choice. The Duo Plus also lets you edit the cooking time and pressure level while the machine's in use, versus the Duo, which forces you to cancel the cooking program to change settings. It also gives you the option to silence its alarms. Other conveniences include a whisper quiet steam release. In our tests, they all make some noise, an anti-spin design that claims to prevent the inner pot from moving around while you're sautéing, and 25 customizable smart programs with step-by-step instructions to help guide beginners through a variety of recipes. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo. The Duo offers all of the original Instant Pot features: pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan and food warmer, with an extra setting for making homemade yogurt. It comes in 3-quart, 6-quart, shown, and 8-quart options. The inner pot is made of stainless steel with, according to the manufacturer, a 3-ply bottom for even heat distribution. It also features a delay start option and a keep warm function. There are 2 pressure cook settings, low and high, so you'll have more control over the cooking of delicate foods like soups and lentils, which may ultimately prevent them from overcooking into mushy oblivion. In our tests, the Duo was one of the only models that made rice that was well cooked and tender rather than mushy. Another reason we love the Duo is that, despite the lower price point, you get all of the same great user-friendly features other machines have, like a large top handle that makes opening and closing it quick and easy, and extra slots on both sides that can be used to prop up the lid when it's not in use. It also has a detachable cord, which you'll love if you're planning to store your cooker in a tight cabinet. The one downside is that it did take a long time for the pressure to release naturally. Number 3. Instant Pot Rio Wide. The Rio Wide is one of Instant's newest models. It features a broader, shorter, shallower design that makes it ideal for larger batches, particularly the 7-quart model, though it's also available in a 6-quart version. It offers pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, rice, yogurt and keep warm. And there are 13 smart settings for rice, soup, chicken, egg and more. It made a great stew in our lab tests, tender meat and very flavorful broth. We like the amount of surface area in the pot. The brand claims it's more cooking area than a 12-inch skillet, which will allow you to brown and then cook larger cuts of meat. The company says it can accommodate a 5-pound chicken and 3 racks of ribs. It's also great for larger batches of beans, grains or hard-boiled eggs if you like to meal prep or have a big family or friend group. We were also pleased with the rice. It was cooked well and it didn't stick to the pot. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. You can streamline the appliances on your countertop with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate, which combines an air fryer with an Instant Pot. While it may be one of the most expensive models on our list, it's certainly the most functional, and likely cheaper than buying 2 separate appliances. This 6.5-quart model works 13 different ways, as a pressure cooker, air fryer, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, dehydrator, yogurt maker, sous vide and bread proofer. Switching between the 2 primary functions is seamless. Pressure cook your ingredients. Take out the lid's inner stainless steel cover to reveal the air frying unit, then air fry your food. What's more, the appliance offers step-by-step cooking instructions on a large LCD display to eliminate guesswork. Cleaning is easy too. We like that the protective inner cover keeps the air frying element clean and safe from splashes during pressure cooking, and is removable for cleaning in the dishwasher. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro Plus. The Instant Pot Pro Plus is a fully connected multi-cooker that can be controlled wirelessly via a compatible smartphone app. You'll get access to a robust catalog of more than 800 recipes. Just select the one you want and then follow on-screen prompts to walk through the entire process from start to finish. You can also release steam via the app or program a quick or delayed steam release at the end of a cooking program. You can choose from natural steam release, quick release, a blast of steam, or pulse, which meters out the steam to land somewhere between natural release and quick. This model includes a second silicone sealing ring, which is nice for swapping out when cooking very aromatic foods. The inner pot included in this model is a step above the more basic Instant Pot Duo tool. It has handles, which make it easier to lift, carry and pour from, and it's stovetop safe and induction compatible, plus dishwasher safe for quicker cleanup. The pressure cooking rack and pressure cooking lid are also dishwasher safe. We were also impressed with the rice in our lab test. We found rice can be challenging with some instant pots, but the Pro Plus produced grains that were cooked very nicely and didn't stick to the pot. We did find the meat in our stew was a bit drier than with some of the other models in our test.